Hey, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel. Today we will know through this video. But behind that comfort is an unsung hero, the AC technician. What is job responsibilities as a AC technician boy? And how to work AC technician boy? We will tell you through this video. Stay with us till the end of the video. In extreme heat, these professionals are essential, keeping our homes, offices, and public spaces livable. When your AC fails in May, it's a crisis. And that's when you realize their true value. AC technicians are the frontline warriors against the heat, restoring comfort and productivity. As more people buy air conditioners, the demand for skilled technicians is skyrocketing. This isn't just a job, it's a career with real potential and stability. You're not just fixing machines, you're solving real problems for millions. If you're looking for a hands-on, impactful career, this is worth considering. You see the results of your work immediately, meet new people, and tackle new challenges every day. It's a profession for problem solvers and technical experts. AC technicians are the heroes of comfort. Let's explore how you can join their ranks. So, what's a day like for an AC technician? It's never boring. The day starts with a schedule: installations, maintenance, or urgent repairs. After checking their toolkit, they head out to clients' homes or offices. Listening to the customer's problem is the first step. Then comes the inspection, checking filters, coils, refrigerant, and electrical connections. Using diagnostic tools, they pinpoint the issue and explain it clearly to the customer. Once approved, they get to work, cleaning, repairing, or replacing parts. Each job is different. One might be a new installation, another a routine checkup. After finishing, they test the AC, tidy up, and offer maintenance tips. The day ends with reports and prepping for tomorrow. Every day they keep India cool and comfortable. Interested in this career? Here's how to get started. Finish your schooling. Class 10 or 12 is usually enough. A science background helps, but willingness to learn is key. Next, enroll in a certificate or diploma course in refrigeration and air conditioning at an ITI or vocational center. These courses, lasting 6 months to 2 years, teach you installation, repair, and troubleshooting. Hands-on practice is crucial. Look for programs with real-world training. Apprenticeships or internships with experienced technicians are invaluable. Once certified, you're ready for the job market, but keep learning. Technology evolves, so update your skills and earn extra certifications from major AC brands. Staying current makes you a top technician. Being a great AC technician takes more than a certificate. You need strong technical skills, comfortable with tools, systems, and diagrams. Problem solving is vital. Every repair is a new mystery to crack. Patience and logical thinking help you diagnose issues accurately. Physical fitness matters. You'll lift equipment, climb ladders, and work in tough conditions. Good customer service is essential. Be polite, patient, and explain things simply. Professionalism and reliability build your reputation. A friendly attitude and commitment to solving problems set you apart. These skills make you not just a technician, but a trusted expert. That's how you succeed in this field. What are the main duties of an AC technician? First, installation, mounting units, connecting pipes, and wiring with precision. Second, maintenance, cleaning filters and coils, checking refrigerant, and inspecting electrical parts. Regular service keeps ACs efficient and extends their life. Third, repair, diagnosing breakdowns and replacing faulty components. This is where your problem-solving skills shine. You also keep records, advise customers on efficient use, and stay updated on new technologies. Each duty blends technical skill with customer care. You're not just fixing machines, you're restoring comfort and peace of mind. It's a career with variety, challenge, and real impact. The future is bright for skilled AC technicians in India.